Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to verify your PayPal account. We'd like to show you one easy way to do this, and once you're in your PayPal account, all you need to do is to go over to Wallet, and then you're going to choose the Link a Card option. And then right here you're going to put in your card details such as your card number, your card type, expiration date, and the security code. Confirm your billing address, and then you can click on Link Card. Now PayPal will make a transaction on your bank account, so check your bank for these deposits. Now these deposits are temporary to confirm that you're putting a working card. If you receive any prompts from your card issuer, you can go ahead and confirm it in order to approve the transaction. Take note that this transaction is to test your card. Now PayPal may require you to provide additional documentation to confirm your identity, and this confirmation typically involves you uploading your government issue ID such as your passport or driver's license. PayPal may also ask for your proof of address, and when all these are ready and done, your PayPal will be verified and you can continue using your PayPal. If you found this tutorial helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.